Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful cucumber face serum that does wonders to our skin. Cucumber has wonderful skin brightening properties and brightens even the most dull and damaged skin. For the serum, take one large cucumber and cut into small pieces. I got the cucumbers from a neighboring farm who grew them organically. But if your cucumber is not organic, peel the outer skin and then use. Now cut a fresh aloe vera leaf. Wash really well to get rid of the slimy green juice. If you don't wash it well, it will cause skin irritation. Now cut the thorns on both sides of the leaf. Cut the leaf in half. Now scrape out the inner gel. You can use a knife for this, but I prefer a coconut scraper as it is very easy to use. To the extracted aloe vera gel, add in the cut cucumber pieces. Now add in a small bunch of fresh coriander leaves that are washed well. Now either pound or grind in a mixer. Once pounded well, pour the mixture into a thin white cotton cloth. Now squeeze well to extract the juice completely. Once you have extracted the juice completely, store it in a bottle immediately in the fridge. This is a very soothing and cooling serum that you can apply any time of the day. Like both aloe vera and cucumber, fresh coriander is also full of antioxidants that helps fight off free radicals, which are the major cause of premature aging of our skin. It also has wonderful antibacterial properties, so it helps heal wounds and skin infections very fast. This serum also will help fade scars and blemishes. Usually, fresh coriander extract does not irritate the skin, so the serum can be used by people with sensitive skin too. But if you have very sensitive skin, add just a small bunch of coriander leaves first and see how your skin reacts to it and then increase the amount. I would suggest using fresh aloe vera extract for the serum for best results. But if you don't have access to fresh aloe vera, then you can use store-bought aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume. This serum will last well in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. This serum can be used by everyone, and especially older people will greatly benefit using it as it has very powerful anti-aging properties. This recipe might sound very simple, but trust me, it will work its magic on you if you use it regularly. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.